people are preferring more using the battery and electronic items. So this is the one of the multi-bagger scenario will happen in the coming months. Management is so strong for this company. So let's see here. There's some information about this Panasonic India company. So as you know, as you see here, that company is a Panasonic Energy India company is engaged in the business of dry cell battery. When you click on the website of this company, you will be so surprised that this is the website of the company. Okay, so you can see a lot of product there: Evolved battery, zinc carbon battery, Evolved battery, lithium battery. Okay, so this company is having a lot of product about the batteries. So you can say that this is the one of the good company where you can invest for future. Let's see some fundamental. Number one, market cap. So market cap of this company is 230 crore now, and current price is 307. You can see here. High and low of 52 week and 52 week low price is 335 and 140. Stock is trailing at 14 P. That is very reasonable, and one can basically buy and invest it. Book value. So company is having book value 142. Right now it is trading 307. Very reasonable. I think you can say only 2 point something the price to book value. Dividend yield is also very good. Standard dividend yield 1.3. So you will get 1.3% of dividend every year from the stock. Return on capital employed is reasonable, very nice, genuine, 13.7. Return on equity is also 10%, which is also good. Face value is 10. Peg ratio, you can see the peg ratio is in minus. Whenever peg ratio is minus, you can understand this company can give an excellent result in coming quarter. Excellent result. Why I am saying that? Because the lockdown has opened. Now it is a very good chance and good opportunity that these kind of company can give more return, more sales and more profit in coming. So that's why peg ratio is minus. Return on capital employed. So it is 13.7. Very good. I think it is repeating. No problem. So now check equity capital is 7.5. Price to book value 2.17. Growth factor 4. Piotrowski score is very good. 8 is very good. So you can say the Piotrowski score is saying that the company is not basically diluting their equity, having good growth, having very good fundamental, good management. So everything is showing with this particular key. If it is 8, it is very good. Current asset is 108 crore. So you can see current asset is 108 crore, which is I think 230 crore market cap and 108 crore is current asset. A very good company, and price to sell is 0.93 is also good. 5-year return on asset is 5.2. Debt to profit is 0.22, means there is no debt on this. Ultimate score, see, ultimate jet score is 8.08. Difference in V. See, difference in VI. Whenever you see this particular check difference in VI, this is saying that the company is company's trading is very low with in comparison all assets and all kind of. So this is whenever you see the positive value, means 1265 is positive value, and whenever you see this kind of scenario, company is undervalued, under their intrinsic value, you can buy the stock and forget it. Okay, now you have solid check is one, means company is not diluting their equity. EPS of latest quarter 3.92, EPS of the whole year is 21.9. So this is one of the good company where you can invest. So you can see the chart of the company. Okay, so this is the 1 month chart, this is the 3 month, this is the 1 year, this is the 3 year, this is the 5 year, this is the maximum year. When you click on this P ratio scenario, so you will see that P ratio, EPS is always higher than price. So it is very good company to invest and buy in. And as per the chart also, long term chart also, you can see the maximum chart. This company is saying that is going to break their 52 weeks in coming days. Now it is trading at 307, but I am sure that it can go beyond 400 in coming months. So please, you can invest in this kind of stock. Always take advice from your advisor. So let's check about the pros and cons. Company is almost debt free. Company has expected a good quarter. Company has maintaining healthy dividend 72.82, which is very good. Company has delivered poor growth, is okay company. So these are cons, no problem at all. But this you can say pros are very high, very good. Peer comparison. So if you can compare that, so that right now there are few companies who is also delivering batteries like Ever Industries, HBL, Indonesian, Panasonic Energy. When you check the equity capital is very good, 7.5. Market unplaced promoter holding 58.06, return on company 13.7. So we have discussed all these things, no problem. So let's go down. Now check the sales. Okay, check the sales of the company. So in 2018, this is 60 crore, 50 crore. The sales is flat, is not growing. Sometimes it's growing. Now last few weeks it was growing in the June. So you can see June 21 is 48 crore. And you check that. So you can see here the sales are growing. So last quarter, March month, 43% growing. So September 25%. And June 43. So last June was minus growth, right? 33 crore sales. But this quarter, June 48 means this is one of the good company and thinking about their growth and strategy. Expenses, you can see material cost, they're 51%. So expenses increase, no problem. Margin is having some problem. But you can see the companies sometimes maintain 50%, 15% margin, and sometimes maintain 2.8% margin, sometimes maintain 7.96. So there's a margin improved from the quarter to quarter. So this is very good company, very good. Interest, you can see interest is very low. Interest is very low. So this is showing that this company where you can invest very good. You can check with your finance, and I think they would recommend to you buy the stock. This is one of the best stock where you can invest. Always check with your advisor prior to do any kind of investment in this. And if they advise you, then you can sit this stock. Sit means systematic investment every month. Okay, now check profit and loss. So profit and loss, you can see the companies having very good sales, good expenses. Profit is increasing. Profit is increasing since last 3 years. Okay, and also in the next year it is showing 21 crore, which is also very good sign for this company. Okay, now check. You can check here regarding we have discussed profit and loss. Now check the balance sheet. Balance sheet, you will see and you will be happy. You will be happy surely. Reason behind the share capital of this company is not diluting. 8 crore share, it is always fixed for lot. What is last behind 10 years back it was 8 crore, now it is 8 crore, which is the best sign of the company. And one thing you have to observe any time is the reserve. Reserve is the 57 crore, 60 crore, 61, 65, 77, 87, 90, 95. So they are increasing their reserve at any cost. Okay, now borrowing is very less, no borrowing at all. So company is not a company, it is you can say diamond. It is a diamond. Okay, so okay, now you can say fixed asset is also increasing every time. Fixed asset is increasing. Okay, you can check other assets. Very important. What is falling under other assets? Other assets containing inventory, trade, cash, loan. So company is maintaining 64 crore cash. 64 crore cash, you can say this is one of the best company who can give you dividend anytime. Dividend paying company and maintaining 64 crore cash is very good company. Now cash flow. The company is maintaining good cash flow. You can say March is 4 crore cash. Last year minus that before 2009 is 12 crore. Very good commenting. Now you can see one important thing you can see. What is in the 2000 regarding the ratios? If you check the ratios and return on capital employed in the March 2018, it is showing 14%, sir. 14%. Now in March 2021, it is showing 14% again. So you can consider that it is going to break the 2018 record anytime. Okay. Now you can see, oh my God, you can see here, very best thing you can see here. Promoter is holding intact promoter holding 58.06. When you click here, so Panasonic Corporation, it is a multinational company. Promoter is from multinational. and they are holding their stock intact, not losing any one stock, single stock they are not losing. And you can see the FII and DII, there is no holding, but no problem about it. Don't think about FI and DII. You have to see the company's management and their products. Now see the public holding are there. So Punj Lloyd, see Punj Lloyd is one of the good company who is also holding the stock of this Panasonic Energy. See Vijay Kishanlal Kedia, it is a Kedia. Kedia is just maintaining the healthy stock in the company. You can see Kedia, Vijay Kedia. I think you know everyone. He is one of the best leading investor in India who is holding 1.2% of stocks. Okay. So this is one of the best company, and you can see the recent announcement, all the annual report you can see here. Okay, now this is the, I think that you can invest this company. It is one of the best company where you can invest. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel for all these kind of latest updates. Have a nice good day. Thank you. Sweet dream.